Welcome to the South Pole, the most southerly point on our planet. Here at the very bottom of the Earth, we find a place of extremes, a land sculpted by ice and wind, where temperatures plummet far below freezing and the sun barely rises above the horizon for months on end. Despite these harsh conditions, the South Pole is a place of extraordinary beauty and scientific importance. It is a frozen desert, vast and unforgiving, yet teeming with unique life forms that have adapted to thrive in this challenging environment. Join us now as we embark on a journey to uncover the secrets of this icy wilderness. Imagine yourself standing at the South Pole, 90 degrees south latitude, where every direction is north. You are standing on the vast Antarctic plateau, a high, frozen desert that stretches for thousands of miles, buried beneath a thick ice sheet. This ice sheet, the largest on Earth, holds within its frozen depths a staggering amount of fresh water. Glaciers, like rivers of ice, flow slowly outwards from the center of the continent, carving valleys and shaping the landscape over millennia. These glaciers eventually reach the sea, where they break off into massive icebergs that drift across the Southern Ocean. Mountain ranges, some taller than the Alps, rise up from the icy plains, their peaks shrouded in perpetual snow. The South Pole is the heart of a vast frozen continent, a place of immense power and beauty. The South Pole is a place of extremes, where the sun doesn't set for 6 months, and for the other 6 months it remains below the horizon. Temperatures here plummet far below freezing, reaching their lowest point during the winter months, when the average temperature hovers around -60 degrees Celsius. Even during the summer months, the thermometer rarely rises above freezing. The air is thin and dry, and precipitation is scarce, falling mostly as snow. Adding to the harshness of the environment are the katabatic winds, fierce gusts that sweep down from the high interior of the continent. Yet despite these challenges, life finds a way to persist even in this unforgiving environment. The South Pole is a scientific treasure trove, a place where researchers from around the world gather to study a wide range of disciplines. At the heart of this scientific endeavor lies the Amundsen Scott South Pole Station, a testament to human ingenuity. One of the key areas of research at the South Pole is climate change. Scientists drill deep into the ice sheet, extracting ice cores that provide a detailed record of Earth's climate dating back hundreds of thousands of years. By analyzing these bubbles, scientists can track changes in greenhouse gas concentrations over time. The South Pole is also an ideal location for astronomical observations. The dry, stable atmosphere and the lack of light pollution create exceptionally clear viewing conditions. The research conducted at the South Pole has profound implications for our understanding of the planet and the challenges we face. The South Pole has long captivated the imaginations of explorers and adventurers. In 1911, 2 expeditions, one led by Norwegian explorer Roald Amundsen and the other by British naval officer Robert Falcon Scott, set out to conquer the last uncharted continent. Amundsen's team reached the South Pole on December 14, 1911, planting the Norwegian flag in triumph. They returned to their base camp safely, having achieved a remarkable feat of human endurance and navigational skill. Scott's expedition, plagued by delays and deteriorating weather conditions, reached the pole on January 17, 1912, only to discover that Amundsen had beaten them to it. Demoralized and exhausted, Scott and his men began the long journey back to their base camp, but succumbed to the harsh conditions. The story of Amundsen and Scott is a poignant reminder of the unforgiving nature of the Antarctic wilderness. Their expeditions marked a turning point in polar exploration, ushering in an era of scientific discovery and international cooperation. The South Pole itself is devoid of any permanent residents. However, venture just a short distance from the pole, and you'll find a surprising array of life that has adapted to thrive in this challenging environment. The surrounding Southern Ocean teems with krill, tiny crustaceans that form the base of the Antarctic food web. These swarms of krill attract a variety of marine predators, including whales, seals, and seabirds. Among the most iconic inhabitants of Antarctica are the penguins. Emperor penguins breed on the sea ice surrounding the continent, enduring temperatures as low as -40 degrees Celsius. Seals too are well suited to life in this icy world, with Weddell seals diving to depths of over 600 meters in search of food. The flora and fauna of the South Pole region are a testament to the remarkable adaptability of life. The South Pole is now on the front lines of climate change. One of the most visible signs of climate change at the South Pole is the melting of the ice sheet. As global temperatures rise, the ice sheet is losing mass at an alarming rate, contributing to rising sea levels worldwide. The warming waters of the Southern Ocean are also having a profound impact on marine life. Krill, the foundation of the Antarctic food web, are highly sensitive to changes in water temperature. The changing climate is also affecting the breeding success of penguins and other seabirds. Warmer temperatures and changes in sea ice patterns are disrupting their nesting grounds and reducing the availability of their prey. The environmental changes occurring at the South Pole are a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of our planet's systems. The South Pole is governed by a unique international treaty that sets it aside as a continent for peace and science. The Antarctic Treaty, signed in 1959 by 12 countries, established Antarctica as a demilitarized zone, free from territorial claims and military activity. The treaty prohibits any measures of a military nature, such as the establishment of military bases and the carrying out of military maneuvers. It also bans nuclear explosions and the disposal of radioactive waste in Antarctica. Instead of territorial disputes and military competition, the treaty promotes international cooperation in scientific research. It encourages the free exchange of scientific information and data. The Antarctic Treaty has been remarkably successful in achieving its goals. For over 6 decades, Antarctica has been a beacon of international cooperation. Reaching the South Pole is no easy feat. The primary mode of transportation to the South Pole is by air. Specialized aircraft, equipped with skis for landing on the ice runway, make the long journey from Christchurch, New Zealand to McMurdo Station. From McMurdo, smaller aircraft ferry passengers and cargo to the Amundsen Scott South Pole Station. The weather in Antarctica is notoriously unpredictable, with blizzards and whiteout conditions often grounding flights. Once on the ground at the South Pole, transportation is limited to specialized vehicles, such as tracked vehicles and snowmobiles. The challenges of reaching and traveling to the South Pole are a testament to the dedication and resilience of the scientists and support staff who work there. The South Pole holds a unique place in our collective imagination. It is a symbol of human exploration and scientific endeavor, a testament to our unyielding curiosity. The stories of the early explorers continue to inspire us today. The South Pole also represents the importance of international cooperation. The Antarctic Treaty is a beacon of hope in a world often divided by conflict and competition. The scientific discoveries made at the South Pole have deepened our understanding of the planet and our place in the universe. The South Pole is a symbol of human achievement, international cooperation, and scientific discovery. The South Pole will continue to play a crucial role in our understanding of the planet and the challenges we face in the 21st century. As climate change accelerates, the research conducted at the South Pole will be more important than ever. Scientists will continue to monitor the melting of the ice sheet and study the impacts of these changes on marine life. The South Pole will also remain a hub for astronomical observations. New telescopes and instruments will be deployed here, allowing astronomers to peer deeper into space. The search for life beyond Earth will also continue at the South Pole. The discoveries made here will continue to shape our understanding of the planet, the universe, and our place within it. As we bid farewell to the South Pole, we carry with us a profound sense of awe and wonder. This frozen desert has revealed to us the interconnectedness of our planet and the urgency of addressing climate change. The South Pole stands as a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the spirit of exploration. Thank you for joining us on this journey to the bottom of the world. May the knowledge we have gained inspire us to protect this precious planet for generations to come.
Like and subscribe to start your journey today.